We are proud to introduce our mechanical powerhead truck-mounted drilling rig. It is widely used in water well drilling, mining exploration, oil well drilling, and geothermal well drilling. It combines the advantages of traditional hydraulic and rotary table drilling rigs, with exceeding rotary torque than traditional hydraulic drive drilling. It is easy to operate and maintain, can effectively avoid the pipe stuck problem, covering drilling depths from 200 meters to 1500 meters. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on Alibaba.com.